I show you guys how to check it. You just need to go to search menu and type run, click on open it, and type here MRT and click on OK. Select the yes option, and you just need to select the next option and select the full scan and select next. And this will help you to find and remove the threads automatically. As you can see in my case, no malicious software was detected. After getting this done, select the finish option and again go to search menu and type run. Type here NETPLWIZ and click on OK. In here, if you see any suspicious account, then select the account and select the remove option and select yes option to remove it. And after removing it, just close tab here, guys. And the final step, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager and go to startup apps. And in here, if you see any suspicious app is unable to run on your PC starts, then you just need to right click and select disable option, guys. If you see anything, in my case, I already have disabled these things, as you can see, mobile devices, so that feel like suspicious. If you see anything listed, then you just need to right click and select disable option. And now you're good to go, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.